Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Ragi, that is the finger millet, is a superfood and it's extremely healthy for all of us. I've made several recipes with ragi. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to share a super healthy and very tasty snack recipe. This is Ragi Kozhukattai, that is dumplings. We're going to make these delicious treats and we're going to steam them. I'm going to make this with coconut and peanuts and it's going to be very, very tasty. So let's get started and check it out. The first step for this recipe is to melt the jaggery. I'm taking about 250 ml cup of powdered jaggery. To the saucepan, add the jaggery and add about quarter cup of water and cook till the jaggery is completely dissolved. Now I've used a darker color jaggery here. If you don't find this, you can also use the lighter shade. Once the jaggery is melted and it starts bubbling, turn off the stove. Keep the melted jaggery aside. Next, I'm going to roast a few ingredients. For this, take a nice white pan. Add about 1 cup, that's a 250 ml cup measurement of ragi flour, which is the finger millet flour. Roast the flour well. Now, I've been roasting this for about 5 minutes now on low flame. The shade of ragi has also changed a bit. So, we've got this nice powdered coarse consistency of the flour. I've taken half cup of poha, that is beaten rice, and I have ground it in a mixer jar. Add the powdered poha, that is a beaten rice, to the pan and mix everything well. Next, I'm also adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Roast this along with the flour. Next, I'm adding about half cup of roasted and coarsely ground peanuts. For this, you can take about half cup of peanuts, roast it and grind it coarsely and use it. Once all the ingredients are roasted well, turn off the stove. Now it's time to add the dissolved jaggery. Just strain the liquid jaggery into the mixture and mix everything well. To this, I'm also adding about 3 tablespoons of ghee and a teaspoon of cardamom powder. So this is going to enhance the flavors of the kozhukattai. Make sure you mix everything till it's all well combined and it comes to a nice binding consistency. To make sure it's binding well, if you need to add a little extra ghee, you can add so. At this point, I'm transferring the mixture to a bowl so it'll be easy to mix and to shape the kozhukattais. Take a handful of the mixture. Press it in your palm and shape it accordingly. I've made several other ragi, that is the finger millet recipes. I'll give you all the links in the description. Do check them out. Once you've shaped all the kozhukattais in this manner, keep them aside. So the next step is to steam these in an idli steamer. Arrange all the prepared kozhukattais on a greased plate. And place it into a steamer. Steam cook on medium flame for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove. Wow! So when you open the lid, you can see they are cooked so perfectly. So there you go. Here are these tasty and incredibly delicious ragi kozhukattais which are ready to be served. Transfer these sweet treats to a plate and enjoy them while they are still warm. You can store these for up to 2 to 3 days in a nice airtight box or a container. So it's time to taste these super healthy and delicious ragi kozhukattai, that is the dumplings. I can't wait to try them. It is wonderful. The flavors are just amazing. The combination of coconut, peanuts, that cardamom and the jaggery is just exploding in my mouth right now. It's a super healthy snack that you can make for your family members, for your kids. You can pack them for their snack boxes as well. This is a great recipe, so do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.